If you want to make a collage in Fotor, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can quickly build a clean, polished collage without any confusion. This is perfect if you want to combine photos for social media, presentations, memories, product showcases, or just a creative design project. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Let's get started. First, open Fotor in your browser and look at the top right header bar. You'll see a 4 squares icon right next to your profile picture. Click that icon to open the Image Tools menu. From there, select Collage Maker. This takes you into Fotor's Collage workspace where you can start building your design. Now you'll see 2 main ways to begin. If you want more control over the structure, go with Layouts. On the far left sidebar, click Collage, then look at the Layouts row. Here you can choose how many images you want to include, such as 2, 3, 4, or even 9 and more depending on your project. Once you pick the number of images, choose a layout design that fits your style. This gives you a ready-made frame structure that makes it easy to arrange everything neatly. If you want something that already looks more styled and designed for you, click Templates on the far left sidebar instead. Fotor gives you pre-designed collage templates that can help you create a more polished result in just a few clicks. This is a great option if you want a faster workflow or if you're making something for a specific theme. Once you've chosen your starting style, it's time to add your photos. In the center of the canvas, click the Add Photos button. You can also drag and drop your files directly onto the screen if that's easier. Fotor will upload your images and then you can drag each one into the collage cells. Simply place each photo where you want it to appear and Fotor will help you fill the design. If needed, you can swap images around until the collage looks the way you want. After your photos are in place, take a look at the Customize panel at the top left. This is where you can fine-tune the look of your collage. You can adjust spacing to control how far apart the images appear. You can change margins to add more or less room around the edges, and you can modify the corner radius if you want your collage cells to have sharper corners or softer rounded edges. These small changes can make a big difference in how professional your final design looks. Once you're happy with the collage, it's time to export it. Click Download at the top bar above the canvas. Fotor will let you save the collage to your device so you can share it, post it, or use it anywhere you need. And that's how to make a collage in Fotor from start to finish. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and with the right layout or template, you can create something great in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.